1.12 summary exercise question number 20. This table has 4 sides with a total distance around the table of 12¼ feet. What is the length of the missing side? So we know the total, 12¼ feet, and we know what 3 out of the 4 sides are. So what we should first do is add the 3 sides that we know. So we have 2¼ plus 2¼ plus 4⅓. I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 that have the like denominator real quick, and then I'll go ahead and add to the third one. So 2¼ plus 2¼ equals 4 2/4 plus the 4⅓. Now I can see I don't have the like denominator, so I will have to change, but I only have to change 2 fractions. You could, of course, change all 3 right up front. That works equally well. So I'm going to write the new fractions or mixed numbers beside. So we have 4 6/12 plus 4 4/12 equals 8 10/12. I'm going to leave that fraction and not reduce it to lowest terms. You could reduce it to lowest terms, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. The step 2 on this problem would be, okay, now I've got the total of the 3 sides. Let me take that away from the total that they provided me with, and that will give me the missing side length. So I'm going to take the 12¼ feet minus the 8 10/12. First up, I need to make the common denominator, which is 12, so I only have to change the first fraction. So that's going to become 12 3/12 minus 8 10/12. But that won't work well because I need to have a larger number to subtract the 10. So I'm going to borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 12. That will give me 11 12/12 plus the 3/12. And that is going to be 11 15/12 minus the 8 10/12. And now I'm in a good position to subtract everything. 11 minus 8 is 3, and 15 minus 10 is 5/12. So the length of the missing side is 3 5/12 feet.